Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to use booking.com as a host. So to get started, the first thing to do is to log onto your website and type in this URL, which is joinbooking.com on your browser. Then click get started to list your property. Then after that, choose your property type, which is if it's your apartment, if it is an hotel, if it is a vacation home, and all of that. Depends on the kind of property you have. Then after that, you have to create an account with your email and set up a password. Then enter your property names, the location, the contact details, and add a photo, a description, and a details like room type, amenities, and house rules. Then the next step is to set your availability calendar and the pricing. So choose your payment preference. So guests pay at properties or online via the booking.com. Then also you can also review all infos, then click finish or publish. Then after listing your property, booking.com will review and activate your listing, and this actually takes between 24 hours to 48 hours. So once live, just can now book directly and you will get notified through your host dashboard or email. You can also manage booking, change prices, and also block date anytime from your booking.com. You can also use the extranet or the Pulse mobile app for the listening, and that's it. Hope you find the video a little more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.